Hello everybody. Today I'm going to teach the soprano part to the piece Jerusalema. There are actually two parts, soprano parts to this piece. The first part goes like this. The rhythm goes right. That's the rhythm to the first part. And these are the notes you start on. C and E. So you play that rhythm twice. Let me play that again 2 times. That's 1, 2. Next, you move to A and E, also 2 times. Next, A and F, also twice. 1, 2. And then the last one, B and D, also 2 times. Simple and straightforward, eh? Right, let's go on. From the beginning, C and E, twice, A and E, twice, A and F, twice, B and D, twice. Then start again. Right, simple and straightforward. Right, let's move on to the second part. Now the rhythm changes, but you're still playing the same notes, but just a change of rhythm. Now the rhythm is going to go like this. 2, 3. Right, ready, and 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. And 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Right, here are the notes. So you're going to start, as I said, C and E. You're going to go C and E, 2, 3, 4, and there's a pause in between. 2, 3, 4, and then again, and to A and E, and A and F, and B and D from the beginning, and C, E, C, E, A, E, and A, F, and then you go back to the beginning. Second part, and 2, 3, 4, and 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, and right. So those are the 2 parts for the piece Jerusalema. I hope you enjoy learning the parts. Thank you for watching this episode. Please click on the link to our website, or you can watch some of our other videos here. If you enjoy the videos, please like and subscribe. This is going to help us to create more awareness and to share skills.